how to block input on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. In menu, go to settings. In settings, go to system. In system, go to parental control. Here in parental control, you can turn on parental control to prevent children from being able to view certain content. So you can go to parental control, but first you can create a pin. So for my example, I set into 1111, and after that, confirm the pin 1111. Here in parental control, you can see the locks, and on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. Okay, you can enable the switch button first to see the input block. So here in input block, you can block content from devices that are connected to external inputs. So okay, go to input block, and now you can see the option. So you can block the input TV, AB, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or HDMI 3. So for my example, I block the input AB and also the HDMI 1. And that's it, we have successfully blocked. So you can unblock this by selecting again or click the AB and the HDMI to unblock. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully blocked input on Devant Smart TV.